Look around you. The birds, the trees, the insects. They all navigate the world in their own ways without the need for sophisticated technology. They have perfected the art of survival through simplicity and efficiency. And yet, as human beings, we have created a world that thrives on complexity. So, why are we so quick to turn to technology when nature has already figured it out? Today, I want to explore how we might learn to embrace nature's lessons and find solutions to our challenges by simplifying our approach. In our world, we often lean heavily on complex technologies and solutions to solve problems. But think for a moment, what if we look to nature for inspiration? What if we started to think less about creating complicated systems and more about how we can adapt to our environment with simplicity? Nature has mastered the art of efficiency and adaptability, and it is something we could all learn from. As a kid, I used to watch a TV show which had the game of mazes, a puzzle full of twists and turns where participants have to find their way out without hitting dead ends. And I often found myself daydreaming about solving these mazes, imagining myself being one of those players, until I was made aware that a single celled organism called slime mold could also solve these mazes in really less time. And it did all of this without even having a brain. Yes, you heard that right. A brainless organism outperforming what even some of the smartest people would struggle with. Once, scientists in Tokyo thought, hey, if this brainless blob can outperform us, maybe we should hire it to design our railway network. And guess what? It did. The slime mold practically said, step aside, human beings, I have got this. And this incident reminded me that sometimes intelligence is just about simplicity, about doing what needs to be done. We are constantly trying to innovate, to push the boundaries of technology. We are creating artificial intelligence that mimics human thinking and even surpasses human abilities. But in all of our pursuits of complexity, we might be overlooking the elegance and minimalism that nature has already perfected. And it is ready to serve as a lesson for all of us. Once in a while, we all have noticed an ant colony, a line of ants moving in perfect harmony. Ants are the original overachievers. You see them marching in a perfect line, carrying food 10 times their size. And look at us. We even complain about carrying groceries from the store. They even stop and greet each other like, hey Steve, nice crumb. See you at the nest. But think for a moment. How could these little creatures armed with nothing but tiny legs and small brains be so smart? When I took a closer look at them, I discovered that these tiny creatures don't overthink their approach to problem solving. The real lesson here is that intelligence isn't always about complexity. As human beings, we have a part of our brain called the primitive brain, which is responsible for our survival instincts. Things like a fight or a flight response, recognizing danger, and finding solutions in moments of uncertainty. This part of our brain is deeply attuned to the nature. to the environment, and to the simplest, most instinctive forms of intelligence. Imagine a time, hundreds of years ago, when tribes all across the world thrived without the technology we rely on. How did they survive then? It wasn't through gadgets or machines, but through a very raw and powerful form of intelligence. Their ability to adapt, innovate, and use the simplest resources in extraordinary ways. However, in today's world, we have become so dependent on technology that this vital part of our brain is becoming, in a sense, partially paralyzed. We rely on our devices, algorithms, and digital tools to think for us, to guide us, and even make decisions on our behalf. By doing so, we are overlooking the innate, incredible problem solving capabilities of humans. We are losing a chance to learn from the nature, from the environment. And in doing so, we all risk disconnecting from the very instincts that could help us survive in a world that is constantly changing. And it is where we all lack in harmonizing with nature. Harmonizing with nature, it reminds me of my days, growing up in the hills of Ranikhet, observing my mother taking the cows to the forest to graze. The cows knew what to eat, what not. They would come back home in the evening on their own, on time. No clock, no GPS required. As we continue our journey of discovery, let us all dare to ask bold questions and embrace the unexpected answers nature offers. Remember one thing: the most profound mysteries often lie hidden in the humblest corners of the world, waiting for us to uncover them. By remaining curious and open to the intelligence woven into the fabric of the natural world, we not only deepen our understanding, but also ignite a spark that can illuminate a brighter, more harmonious future for all. Human intelligence is often seen as the highest point of evolution. It is a remarkable achievement of creativity and complexity. But at the same time, what many overlook is the solid foundation beneath it, the quiet, simple presence of primitive intelligence. This is not just the starting point, but it is what keeps everything stable. Without it, all the advanced systems we rely on would fall apart. Primitive intelligence, though simple, is the glue that holds everything together. It is the reason we all are still here, thriving and advancing. My point today is not to prove anything, but just to create awareness, to awaken our sleeping primitive intelligence. You see, we have spent so much time chasing technological complexity that we have forgotten the simple brilliance nature has hardwired into us. I might have used fewer examples, but if we keenly observe our surroundings, we will find answers to various complex problems hidden in plain sight. Think of nature as a radio which is constantly broadcasting messages to us. The birds, the trees, the insects, they are all sending out signals, whispering wisdom, guiding us, and even warning us. But in our fast-paced world, we have turned down the volume, distracted by the constant buzz of technology and our own ambitions. We have learned to tune out the simplest truths, even when nature is shouting at us, trying to get our attention. It's as if nature is trying to connect to us, offering a better way, a simpler way. But we are so busy chasing after something more complex to hear what's right in front of us. So let us all turn up the volume, listen more closely, and reconnect with the world that has been trying to teach us all along. Our ancestors relied on instinct. We rely on reason. True intelligence is balancing both. Thank you very much.